Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include rear view camera, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Stop by and take a look at the 2021 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tires, front all season. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, power steering, Wi-Fi hotspot, adjustable steering wheel, rear bench seat, rear head airbag. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.